Hey guys, it's Potato Squad, and today we are going to be doing the No Bowl No Spoon Slime Challenge. So, yeah, I'm using this glue because my Elmer's one is already finished, and my activator is almost finished because, okay, so, wait, let me just put on, so it won't get dirty. I'll be right back to you when I'm finished with my Okay, sorry for that. So, now, so, I had the phone case, I got it. It might get dirty. This has no phone case because of the tripod. This is just a small glue. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. There. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Ignore the sounds in the background. So that is finished. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right up there. So I'm scared. My grandma's cooking, so just ignore that. Oh god. This is old food coloring, by the way. That's why it's dirty. It's yellow. I'm really scared. Oh god. Hi. Don't touch that. Kind of looks like disgusting. It looks really germs. Ignore that. Okay. So glitter. We're gonna add some glitter. This is not glitter glue, by the way, you guys. It's really hard to get. See? Not glitter glue. I got some food coloring on my fingers now. Great. And also on my desk. This food coloring is really like long to. Okay, so. Tabby. This is just a challenge, guys. No one requested it. I just like, you know. I don't think. Okay, like. Oh god. Ah. Okay, so. Oh my god, I spilled some. Great. That's just. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It almost fell. Let me just fix this. It's okay for me if my hands get dirty, because you're still gonna need it. Just checking. Okay. Oh, it's like really sticky. Of course it's sticky, it's glue still. Why is this not activating? Well, it is activating just a tiny bit. Okay. Okay, so it is beginning to form. Okay. Yeah. So, I was supposed to do a blindfolded slime challenge today with my sis, but there's just a little activator left. So I only have like small sachets of it. I'm scared. This might get to you guys. And I have cleaned the top of my desk. Oh god, the glues. Oh god. I'm just arranging it because I don't want it to be messy anymore. I got slime. But that is slime. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Okay, so this is not really the yellow that I wanted, but why is this so sticky? I think this is a bad idea. Oh, I should really hurry up. What percent? It's already down on 15%. Sorry for the noises. Sorry for that, you guys. Okay, so it still looks pretty sticky, but okay. Just ignore that, guys. Guys, just ignore that. It's just two glues. Ah, the bad music again. Okay, so I think that is about good. Oh my god. It's not the yellow I wanted, like it's like a banana yellow. Comment down below if I should do an iceberg slime or like comment down below what should I do for the next video. I'm not sure I can post tomorrow, guys, because I got gymnastic practice. Okay, so let me just pick up the ones right here. I don't know if I can even pick it up. So I'm gonna add some more food coloring because this is not the yellow I wanted, although it is pretty bad. Probably just a small. Oh god, that was I said just one drop. Ignore that, guys, please. Okay. Bruh, I'm making a video. Don't be rude. Oh god, it's just getting close. Okay, so let's try to do an ASMR. Let's try to do ASMR, so it's not still the yellow I wanted, so where's my glitter? Where did my glitter go? Oh, it's just right there. Oh, that's a palette. It's just this chip bag. Although it's not chips, it's just like this. Weirdly so. Okay, ASMR time. Just a little bit. Just a little glitter. Sorry about my hands, it's messy. I suck at ASMR. What should I name this slime? Comment down below. Comment down below. Seriously. Still finding dinner for it. This is a slime I made a while ago. It's just probably like the same, but no glitter. I don't know what to call this either. Comment down below hashtag what should I name these? Help. Okay. Wait. I still have some containers here. This one. Maybe I can put it. It's just a container, don't worry guys, I washed it out. Wait, actually, this one will do. Wait. This one. Ow, oh my god. There's still just a little bit clay. It's just dried clay though, but please fit. Oh my god. Hey! It's my cat. Hey! I think he wants to eat food. Because he always does. Ignore that. I'm just gonna get this. And hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. Autumn! What the heck? He's over there. No, bad cat. No. Come down. No. It's not a phone. No, bad cat. That's gonna fall. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't do that. Sorry for my it's just so thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what should I do for my next video. So this is a slime that I made last time. This is a slime I made last time. It was supposed to be clear slime. That's my grandma right there. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!